Listen long enough, you can love me.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today we got a new camera setup. We got a new GoPro, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Today we're gonna be working on the Buick some more. This is crunch time to LS Fest, so I didn't document any of this. I ended up losing my other GoPro, so we have the roof cut out of the car right now. Some stuff ended up happening. Wheel came off. One of the new wheels we put on messed up our fender. We have a new fender on, but messed up our fender and jacked up our door a little bit. And we had rust on the roof, so ended up cutting the roof out pretty much. And we have a sliding rag top that we're gonna put in place. So this is what we're getting into. About to add a little bit of metal back, and then we got this sliding rag top over here. Got the bumpers here. These are going to powder coat tomorrow. It's literally crunch time, but there's our rag top box. Yeah, so we got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, but yeah, we got a lot of work. The roof is cut out of the car. We had so much rust. If you see, we have a lot of pitting still, but we're gonna get to it right now, and I'll turn this on for an update. I probably won't record too much. All right guys, so today's a new day. I knocked out a good amount on that roof yesterday. I'll give you guys an update a little later today. Right now we're on our way to another powder coater, just to get another quote, because I got quoted $800 to $850 for the bumpers and a couple pieces, which I thought was a little up there. So we're just gonna go get another quote just to see. I mean, if not, we're gonna have to end up paying that because it's crunch time, and if that's the going rate, that's the going rate. So we're on our way to bulletproof powder coatings right now. The first place I went to was a Blazed powder coating. My buddy Nate used to use them a lot for his stuff, so I went there first. But we'll see what happens. Ideally, 500 bucks would be cool. So we'll see. We are 9 minutes away. See what happens with this. And we're just crunch time. LS Fest. We got like 12 days left. All right, guys. So this is a little bit of the progress we did yesterday. We got the metal cut in here, and we've got the frame ready to almost sit in here. We're pretty close. We have to cut a little bit more out, and we'll have a sliding rag in here. But we're going to get to it today. I'm not going to really do too much recording because it is literally crunch time, and I got to get this done. So I am going to get going. Update you guys when I can. Our little area where we need to cut. Kind of don't have a Sharpie here, so we're trying to just do what we can do. Try to use some tape to basically get what I want to get. Alright guys, this is day 2. I'm wrapping it up for the night. I'm probably just gonna have one big video, but we got the roof welded. I got the frame sitting in there. Tomorrow we're gonna come in and use a little bit of kitty hair to fill up all this stuff, get everything nice and smooth. Then we're gonna come in with some body filler, fill everything in, and we should be good to go. But this is a wrap, closing up shop for the night. Alright guys, we're getting this fiberglass filler on here. This is day 3. This is what we're working with. About to fill in these welds and turn this back on once we get some progress going. Alright, so we got our filler on. It's not pretty, but it's gonna work out once we sand it down. We should have like smooth edges. I think it's gonna work out pretty good. There's still a couple of places that I need to add a little bit more to. Like I think I'm gonna add a little bit more here, just a tad bit to bring it up. And all this, I think it's looking pretty good. Alright guys, we are attempting to lay this Bondo down. Alright guys, we reached our stopping point for the night. Got the roof all filled and everything. Tomorrow I'm gonna come in, sand this all down, shoot some primer, and we should be ready to paint Saturday. I'll probably wrap up the video now. It's been a whole 3-day process. Got this fender filled in a couple of spots. I had a couple of dents, but I'm gonna sand this down, also prime this, clean the car up, and we should be on track for paint. So it's looking really good. It was a lot of work these past couple of days, but we're getting to it.